Today we're working on a 2009 Ford Escape Hybrid. Now this vehicle would not start, and the first thing we had to do was get the 12-volt battery charged right here. Once we got that powered up, we were getting dash lights, but we still weren't getting any engine crank or any movement out of the wheels. So first thing we did is come over here to the passenger side, and you remove this footwell right here, and there's a little high voltage cutoff switch right here. And you press that, make sure it's not set. If it is, you just press it and reset it. Now if that doesn't work, there's also another one back here, and it does the same thing. And you just press that little red button in there and it'll reset it, and now it'll start up. So if your Ford Escape Hybrid isn't starting, check both of those switches. What those switches do is they limit the high voltage to the hybrid system. Check them out, follow them.